roofer and then not getting back to you can be very frustrating, especially if you have a leaky roof. So here are the top 5 reasons why roofing contractors are not getting back to you.
Number 1, out of business. A roofing contractor can go out of business for various reasons, including financial mismanagement or poor quality of work. But whatever the case may be, their website and Google listing may not be reflecting this, and this may be the reason why they aren't getting back to you. Number 2, not interested. Some roofing contractors may not be the right fit for your job. They also may not respond to your inquiry if they don't think they can handle the scope or complexity of your project, or in other words, they're just not interested. Number 3, not professional. Not all roofing contractors are created equal, and some roofing companies just may simply not be professional. If a roofing contractor is not responding to your inquiry, it could be a sign that they're not a reputable company or trustworthy contractor. Number 4, missing contact info. In some cases, it just may be the simple fact that they got swamped suddenly and lost your info, or they could have simply miswrote your information, which could be the reason why they aren't getting back to you. Number 5, financial difficulties. A roofer may not be contacting you because they may be experiencing financial difficulties. In these circumstances, the contractor may prioritize paying bills and resolving financial issues over responding to inquiries or taking new projects. Well, that's it for this week. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this.